Hello everyone, introduce me Rizky Sabistorus from Polytechnic LPP Yogyakarta. I would like to explain my essay. The title of essay is Pressing Negative Issue for Sustainable Palm Oil. A recent heated debate surrounds Indonesia palm oil sector and its access to export markets, including the European Union. Palm oil has also become a public issue in many customer countries, ranging from economic competition issue, rural development issue, social issue, nutrition and healthy issue, as well as environmental and sustainability issue. In fact, negative palm oil impact has emerged since the 1970 years. Environmental issues are among the most neglected. The reason is the clearing of oil palm plantation almost always sacrifice forests. This automatic action impact the habitat and balance of the environmental ecosystem. Environmental issues are perhaps the biggest obstacle in the palm oil industry. To reduce that rise, a system of governance of oil palm plantation that can be implemented readily but easily on both large private plantation company, processing industry, and people, palm oil farmers in Indonesia to be subject to sustainability principles, namely Indonesia Sustainable Palm Oil or ISPO. ISPO is a policy taken by the Indonesian government with the aims of improving the competitive of Indonesian palm oil in the world market and participating in reducing greenhouse gas emission and paying attention to environmental issues. ISPO certification to plantation company is carried out by applying 7 principles, namely, number 1, complication with laws and regulation. Number 2, implementation of good plantation practices. Number 3, management of environmental, natural resources, and biodiversity. Number 4, employment responsibilities. Number 5, social responsibility and economic empowerment of the community. Number 6, implementation of transparency. Number 7, increase effort on an ongoing basis. Sustainability standards need to be established as part of neutralizing the social and ecological or environmental risk of oil palm plantation expansion, with the aims of ensuring sustainable palm oil management in Indonesia, improving economic of scale, social, culture, and environmental quality, improving the competitive of Indonesia palm oil, lowering greenhouse gas emission, and intended national determined contribution. Several problems faced by palm oil farmers or people palm oil farmers in implementing ISPO certification. Number 1, the issue of land legality that is very complex. Number 2, the legality of problematic settling due to the origin of settling that do not come from certification seed producer. Number 3, the issue of environmental management knowledge that is still very limited owned by oil palm farmers. The implementation of ISPO make it possible to address sustainability that relies on public policy. Many of Indonesia oil palm farmers receive no training or access to basic agricultural recruitment, including fertilizer or seed certification standard. They cannot afford the cost of this new certification. For example, land certificate from local government bodies. The government provided solution to overcome this, among others. Number 1, human resource development. Number 2, education and training. Number 3, BPDPKS scholarship. Okay, that's my presentation. Thank you all for participating in my presentation. I wish you all the best.